Welcome to April May Codes. I'm your host, April May, and this is the first in a series of code-along videos where I work on creating a Stardew Valley clone in pygame. I am still learning, so this is less of a tutorial and more of a watch me as I guess and check, but I hope some of the things I figure out can be helpful to others struggling with the same issues. I want to start with the disclaimer that a lot of my starting code came from following different tutorials on YouTube, so I'm not claiming these ideas as 100% my own. Links to tutorials I found helpful as a jumping off point will be in the description. I highly recommend checking out these creators as well. They explain things way better than I can. So let's jump right into it. What you've been watching now is what I've managed to code so far, which is basically just the title screen, the load game screen that doesn't do anything yet, and then the game world where we've got our inventory, we can chop down trees, we can plant things and water them, and go to sleep to progress to the next day. So this is my current progress, but my code is messy and unorganized, and I'd like to do some refactoring and get rid of bits that are no longer necessary. So we're going to start from 0 and work our way back up to this point in hopefully a neater, more organized manner. And then we'll go from there.